Hi, my name's Valeria, and I'm gonna help you guys make the sugar crystals. I want to thank you guys so much for buying our STEM kit and supporting our robotics club. Let's get started. So first, you're gonna need sugar, water, food dye, and that's completely optional. Some sticks and a clip. Oh, and a jar. I will warn you that you might need a parent's help because you will be using hot water and possibly a stove. So it's best to be safe. First, we're gonna start with our stick. We're gonna dip it in water, and then we're gonna dip it in some sugar, and we're gonna put it on a paper towel to dry. Okay, while we do that, it calls for a pot. We're gonna use this. Normally you would turn the stove on, but I already boiled my water. But when you're boiling water on a stove, please be careful and have a parent. So we're going to get 3 cups of sugar. 1, 2, 3, and 1 cup of water. I have my boiling water, so we're gonna get 1 cup of that. It's hot. Now you're gonna get a spoon and mix. I like my wooden one. And wait for it to dissolve. Okay, so now I think the sugar is more mixed with the water. And it is hot. Like I said, be careful, you're working with stove. But now you can take the time to dye it. So I'm gonna make it purple, but you don't have to do this, but it's fun. So a little bit of red. Remember not to use too much. 2 drops of that. And then, oh, that was too much, but it still makes a cool purple then. We mix. Still looks bluish. I think I should add more red. That's 1 more drop. And yeah, that's looking a lot better. If it looks super dark, don't worry. That's the way dye works. That's better. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna let it cool. Remember, turn off the stove and everything. Have an adult. Let it cool completely. And then you're gonna put it in a jar. Now, once your liquid cools down, we're gonna put this on the paper. You're going to put it in your jar. Again, remember, it could still be hot, especially a pot, so might want to get a parent to do this. And you're just gonna pour it. Ooh, it's purple. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the stick we put in water and sugar, and we're gonna get the other stick and put it on a cook. So it has come to my attention that I do not have the proper stick for this because this is my jar and it's my water. But do not fret, we're just gonna repeat the process again. So we're gonna get the water. We're gonna use this stick. We're gonna get some extra sugar I have, and we're going to put that on. Now I have a chance to make it even bigger, but I will make it small. So you do not want the stick completely touching inside the jar. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna make sure it's in the liquid, but just doesn't touch the bottom. You're gonna get your other stick, which you're gonna use to put it on top, and then you're just gonna put it together. So here we have this, here we have that, and boom. So this could take from a few days to maybe a week. You're going to leave it somewhere where you can just watch it crystallize. And yeah, good luck on your project. Again, thank you for supporting us and have fun.